what we're going to do today, we're going to be doing a lead test. I've got to go into the hardware store, buy a lead test. Now we're starting the house. I actually started it yesterday. I don't believe there's lead in it, but I really like to just find out for sure. Now I didn't do a test on it when I quoted it because you always assume that it has lead in it. Now some houses 100% have lead, and that's just it. It's got lead, so you know straight away that it's a lead house, and you price it accordingly. This is your lead test kit. Comes with 2 tubes. And what you do, you actually squash that there, and then your fluid comes out into this here. And then you add that on. So you crush A and crush B. So we can just do this on the dust here. Yeah. So basically just crush part A with your fingers. Alright, and crush part B. And then you'll have a fluid come out. And then if it goes red, tell me we've got an empty one. We've got an empty one, mate. Believe that?
Either that or the age it's been sitting there, it's dried up. Check the expiry.
Bloody empty one. Look at that, nothing inside it. Well, we got another one. So there's a dodgy lead kit. There's the second one. No fluid again. No fluid again. So we got another one. Don't get them mixed up. Yeah, I want to look at the use by dates on it. Okay, so here we go. We've just got another test kit from Bunnings. We're just going to do it in this dust here.
Bunnings still wanted 27 for it.
Yeah, I reckon they would dip here.
Sounds the same.
If we put that on there and it goes red, no colour coming out there. Check this up here. Oh, it'll go bright red. It's good as gold. You can go the colour of that would come all red there, you know.
When did they stop using
lead? In the 70s. See, no colour there. So remember, red means lead.